the whole world about it. Gonna tell the whole world about it.
All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get into another what the hell moment, and this is brought to you by another person who sent me this picture. Now you know how you guys like you go around your day to day, and like you go to certain like you see certain like things like signs that just don't make any sense to why it's called that.
Yeah.
So
Like apostrophes in weird places.
yes, because that bothers the everybody.
Exactly.
The dramatically the people.
I'm grammatically challenged, so I don't realize it until somebody points it out.
Really grammatically inclined. It's a nightmare, let me tell you.
So the funny thing is, let me pull it up. The funny thing is, I got sent this picture, and it's a liquor store. I don't know where this liquor store is at, but it was a picture. You can see the guy driving, and he took a picture of it because he noticed that it was one of the funniest things in the world. So if you guys check it out, it is called Bunghole Liquor.
We had to do this right after the Shaq joke.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, we had to arrive at the Shaq joke.
Well, you know, they sell Bunghole liquor sales.
So you can see this. It says Bunghole Liquor. This is a store called the Bunghole Liquor Store. Who comes up with these store names? Like, I mean, it has to be the owner, right? So
Yeah.
one thing I think is like,
I'm guessing that's his name. Hi, my name is Jerry Bunghole. This is my store. This is my liquor store.
just correct me if I'm wrong, but if you're the owner, right? Maybe he's from like a foreign country.
He must be. He thought it meant like really cool liquor store.
I mean,
Yeah.
But it's called Bunghole Liquor. Now,
Come to Bunghole where you can get Shaq's cream.
like Shaq's cream soda inside you.
Inside you. I have it inside my bunghole.
So check this out. So check this out. Like, you know how you have to go to like the cities and do like your business name and shit like that, right?
Yeah.
So I want to know. What the clerk was thinking when she approved this. He came up to like, yeah, I want to start my own liquor store. It's like, okay, what's the name of your liquor store? I'm calling it Bunghole Liquor Store.
Yeah.
What do you do? Like,
Sorry, sir?
do you okay that? Can you okay that?
Can you repeat that, please?
If it was called Asshole Liquor Store, could that be? Can you do that?
No, they have to take out the whole part.
Think so?
Yeah. You know how they blip it out on TV?
Yeah.
They blip out the whole part.
It'll be as
Liquor. Yeah.
I'm just thinking to myself like, who okayed that shit? A Bunghole Liquor Store.
maybe they thought it was a joke.
I bet you their top seller is tissue paper.
Tissue paper?
Yes.
I'm pretty sure.
Yes. But I mean, I was looking at it. I'm trying to look at all the signs in the window. You know, they have liquor there, so maybe there's a Bunghole Liquor. No, I don't know.
I don't
I hope it's not a franchise.
I hope not.
Yeah, no. I don't know why anybody would
I
buy
hope
that.
not, because then we have to taste it like we did.
Exactly.
Shaq.
True.
Yeah.
Because
But that would be pretty deterrent, like to have an actual liquor called Bunghole Liquor. I don't know, maybe not. It's like, oh, if I drink this, I wonder what's gonna happen. You know, like, oh, let's see. Oh.
fire will come out of your bunghole.
You know, yeah, exactly.
Or Shaq's cream.
Or Shaq's cream.
Out of your bunghole.
There it is. Yeah.
So I don't know. I thought that was really funny. Bunghole Liquor Store. Now, come on, guys. Let's just think about this. If you're gonna open up your own store, let's think a little bit more. You know, let's see a little more creative. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. It's probably creative. I would go to that store just because it's called Bunghole Liquor Store. I just walk in
that's
just to
why he
see
did it.
what the hell is going on in the store.
That's why Jerry Bunghole named it after himself. He said, you know what?
I would walk in the store like Bunghole Liquor. Really?
Exactly.
Really, sir? It's called Bunghole Liquor. Hey, sir, didn't know what you're talking about. Yes,
What are you talking about? That is my name.
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying Indian people.
I don't know if that's
with the dot, not the with the dot.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, we had that joke last time.
Politically
Probably politically correct, right? I don't know if they. I'm not saying they all own liquor stores, but the majority of y'all do. So I'm like, I don't know. Like I said, maybe that's a city and where they're from.
Maybe that.
It's called the bungo hole.
The
Bungo hole. But in
Bungo
English,
hole.
it just sounds like bungo.
Bungo, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Well, like fuck it, Thai.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What?
Fuck it, Thai. You ever seen that?
No.
P-H-U-K-E-T.
Fucking Thai? Is that a place? Where?
Yeah.
Thailand?
No,
it's a
it's a restaurant.
It's a restaurant?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where's this at?
There's one in Long Beach.
Yeah.
There's a
On like
bunch.
2nd Street, right?
Yeah, on Second
Yeah.
Street. There's several of them though.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking Thai.
Who okays this?
It's spelled
Who
P-H-
okays
There's a
this?
sausage place in downtown LA called Where's Coochie?
What? Where's Coochie?
Yes, and it's spelled the German style, so it's probably like Wurst Kuche.
Wurstkuche.
Something like, but you know,
We got a
how
picture
it's
of that next
spelled.
show.
Alright, I'll get a
We
picture.
got a picture of that next show.
Yeah.
Oh,
But-
wow. I didn't know about that.
That,
That's great.
wow. Well, guys,
Where's Coochie? I want to keep talking about
Sausage
that.
place.
Listen, her name was. that will be
Bungo Liquor Store. Amazing. That's it. I can't say nothing much more about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bungo Liquor Store. Check it out. I don't know where it's at. It's somewhere. There's a picture. It exists. That's all that matters. But
What city did you say that was?
I don't know. I just got the picture sent to me. He didn't say. He didn't say what city it was
That'd
in.
be great.
He was just driving by.
Give that guy business.
Everybody go to.
Yeah.
So this is the place.
Everybody go to
It's
Jerry
really
Bunghole
cold.
Liquor.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
know if that's his name.
Maybe he has an Instagram. I don't know. And try to Instagram him at Bunghole Liquor. I don't know. Maybe he has a Facebook.
Hashtag Bunghole.
Bunghole.
Ass toilet paper.
Ass toilet paper
Shit.
and Shaq cream soda.
Yeah.
Green soda.
Shaq, we haven't got off your ass yet. No. Not until you stop making dumb shit. Shaq making fucking cream soda. Man. I love you though, Shaq. Don't kill me though, because you kill motherfuckers. I don't give a damn. Or write a song about me that makes no damn sense. Anyway.
You know what I just realized?
What?
Shazam was Sinbad, wasn't it?
Shazam was Sinbad.
Sinbad.
No, Kazam.
Kazam.
Shazam. Oh, yeah,
Kazam was
Shazam.
not Sinbad. That
No,
was
that was
No, I was
Shaq.
thinking, I was like, no, Sinbad did one.
Sinbad.
Sinbad did House Guest.
House Guest. Yeah, it
Oh.
was no like magic one.
Oh, okay.
No.
Stupid. Yeah, I know.
Right.
All right, guys, let's switch gears from our what the hell moment